Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel Sonam Raki. In today's video I have an ethnic wear haul from Central, which you know is one of my favorite shopping destinations. I bought a few kurtis and I would share them and do a try on as well in this video. So let's get started.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
So the first kurti is by the brand Emara and it's worth 1599 rupees. And I just loved the fitting on this. It looks so nice, a very bright red color with some yellow and bluish pattern on the top near the neck part and also on the bottom here. So very comfortable. The material is really good cotton material, very soft and very comfortable to wear. So you can use this for your office wear or to wear for your colleges and everything. Very simple as well, and it's quite nice. Next I have one from the brand Morpunk and this is worth 899 only, but it looks so pretty. It's in pink color with some golden print on it. This is how it looks. I love the neck pattern. It's just print, it does not have any work as such, but the print itself looks really nice. It again has 3/4 hands. I do like 3/4 hands rather than small hands for ethnic wear, and I again love the color. It's very bright, and I usually wear ethnic wear during festival seasons and special occasions, so I really like this. The next I have a very modern kind of ethnic wear. So this is how it looks. It just have stripes, it does not have hands, but looks really pretty and I love the color combination. I love blue and white combination as such. And this is from the brand Imara again, and this is worth 1099 rupees. It's like a really good quality cotton too, which I do like, and the entire pattern is very casual and very stylish and very modern. Especially the stripes give it a very nice look, and there is some elastic as well on the back which makes it really fit nicely. Then I have another kurti in red because red is my weakness, and this is from Morpunk again. Price is just 899. Morpunk products are quite reasonably priced, yet the quality was quite good. I like them. This is not a A-line dress. This has kind of a anarkali kind of theme, and this is how the end is, like where the kurti ends. I don't know how to explain it. And this starting is also really classy. This combination of beige and red looks so damn classy. I really like this combination in saris and any ethnic wear as such, or even modern wear if I get it. But this is a common combination, and this print is like that Sambalpuri print, which reminds me of my culture, Orissa and all. So I really like this. And finally, I have kind of a party wear or something that you wear on festivals and all. This is from Biba and this is in blue color with golden, like a copperish golden pattern on it, which goes and becomes more towards the end. So you can see the pattern here. The cloth of this is like a silk material which is different from others, and that is why it is slightly more expensive than others, and also the brand is better one. However, this is not a work, this is just a print. So I'm not sure how long lasting this will be and how well this will stay for how many usages and how many washes. But the material being a silk kind of material really looks luxe. The hands have a pattern as well. Here we have some work. This one here is not a print. This is like a proper embroidery work, and the cost of this is 1699. It does look pretty nice, the fitting and everything. I'll have to get it done, but I really like the color combination. It's simple, festive, and yet not too glittery, and I don't like too glittery things anytime, so this is perfectly my kind of festive wear. So those are all the products and the kurtis that I bought from Central. This was my ethnic wear haul and I hope you liked it. If you did, then please give this a big thumbs up and some love in the comment section below. If you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.